Thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Amy if you're new to my channel. On Sundays, I do an ad sneak peek video, which is the one you're watching right now. Saturday or Sunday, I do an in-store shop with me video, the video right before this one. And on Wednesdays, I do a full ad preview, or I add bonus items to what I already showed you in this video. Because the flyer is small this week, there's only 25 items, I decided to give you some bonus footage. Here is the Kite Hill cream cheese for $5.89. Chive or plain. That's in the flyer this week. $2.89 black bean dip. For Mustang. Sorted flavored. Oh, these are the overnight oats. Here's the little salad bar. Avocado ranch, apple, thyme, ginger. $3.48. Vanilla chai or breakfast smoothie, $2.65. They've got these charcuterie trays. These are $9.99. Simply Dressed balsamic or strawberry poppy seed, $3.49. $4.49 for the party size salsa. Good Belly probiotics, $2.98. Sweet Snack Selects, $2.49. And then the cashew and almond roasted garlic dip, spread, or sauce, $3.99. I think all of you were kind of not sure about that when I did the preview video. Got the Dan & Danimals, $4.49. Strawberry peach or pineapple mango. These are $1.99. Of course, the Snickers Twix are $4.99. Chobani Flips, 99 cents. I love a good French onion dip. This thing is huge. 24 ounces, $3.64. They've got the Raymond kits or Funk kits, $3.99. The new tubes are $1. As crazy as Aldi has been, I'm so glad to see some fall items coming in stock this coming week. Huntington Home 18 by 30 Deluxe Harvest Mats. These are going to be $6.99 each, 4 to choose from. We've got the Huntington Home 3-wick candles, $3.99 each. So super popular, Aldi. This is a mouthful. Give me a thumbs up. Pumpkin apple fritter is one. Thankful, Grateful, and Blessed is another. Peak Chestnut Antique is the third one so far that we have to choose from. I'm so excited, guys, for fall. I'm so excited. Huntington Home Artisan Glass Candles for $8.99. So far, we have 2 to choose from. Paradise Cliff or White Orchid and Moss. I think these are really pretty, a little more elegant, would make a great Christmas item, don't you think? And then the Huntington Home 20 by 34 Kitchen Accent Rugs for $5.99 each. As you can see on the screen here, we are going to have 3 to choose from. Now, I saw a version of these in my store already. If you saw my last video, the Soul Furniture Portable Lap Desk for $8.99. All these ads are so crazy right now. Huntington Home collapsible cubes for $4.99 each, and we have 3 designs, as you can see, to choose from. 2 designs in a color, really. And if you guys are stockpilers, you need this for your garages, whatever you might need them for, your business. Easy Home 4-tier chrome shelves, $39.99. We don't have the dimensions for these yet. These are a super popular item, and quite a few items coming up are repeats recently. We've got the Fresh Pretzel hamburger buns for $2.29. People either love these sugar cookies or they hate them, and I say that every time sugar cookies come up in a video. They have the s'mores frosted for $2.89. We've got the Pure Aqua Bella V Sparkling Natural Soda 4-pack, $2.99 each. You're going to have 3 to choose from. I've already seen these in the stores. Stuffed Puffs Filled Marshmallows, $3.50. These have been at like Target and Walmart all summer. I've seen them kind of everywhere, super popular. Wahlburgers Dill Pickle Chips, $5.49. This is one of those duplicate items. I believe there's more Wahlburgers in this ad as well. Kirkwood Chicken Breast, $14.99. We've seen these as well. 8 pounds of chicken. It is a really good deal, that's for sure. Another repeat, Dakota's Pride onion and honey baked beans, $1.39 each. I don't know if they're just clearing out their warehouses or what they're doing. We've got the Snickers ice cream cones, $3.89. I know they've had the Snicker bars for a while. I can't remember if they've had the cones already this summer, but they are back. Now, this is an item that went viral on TikTok. People could not buy enough of these. Sunday Shop rose cones. They're really super pretty, $3.49. I never got my hands on any of them. We've got the Wahlburgers Hickory Smoked Bacon. I knew there was another item. $5.99. Bacon has gone up so much in my area. This is probably the cheapest I've seen it. We've got the Emporium Selection Summer Alcohol Cheese Collection for $3.49. People love Aldi cheese. They love the specialty cheeses. Wahlburgers Fresh Gourmet Blend Angus Beef Burgers for $6.99. Like I said, these must be selling really well. M&M's Mint Ice Cream Cookie Sandwiches, $3.47. I know they've had the regular ones of vanilla ice cream for quite a while. Now they're bringing in the mint. And they've got the Clancy's Butter Twist Tubs in $4.29. I've seen them in the bags. My head was thinking ahead of itself. And we've got the Park Street Deli Zesty Jalapeno or Buffalo Skinny Dip, $3.49. If anybody has tried this, let us know. Either one of these. Stone Mill Grill Seasonings for $2.29. They did not tell me all the different ones yet. I'm sure they will tell us on Wednesday. That's it, guys. That's all we got. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Join us on Facebook at Bargain Beauty. We're super active in there every single day. Instagram is Bargain Beauty Amy. Tag me if you find anything.